It's perfect. Wow.
College beer pong. What is up, guys? It's Carson. It's Sammy. Happy Valentine's Day. Hit the subscribe button.
Today we are gonna go, we have a big day today on Liberty of the Seas. We are gonna go to Royal Beach Club, which is Royal's brand new Nassau private island. If you want to see that, check that video out on our channel. We're gonna make it a whole video. Not gonna bore you with it. We'll show you some snippets here. But after that, we're gonna come on here. We're gonna do trivia. We're gonna do dinner. We might do the buffet. I don't know. We have, oh, their Broadway show is tonight. Tons of stuff tonight. So come with us on Liberty of the Seas. And if you want to check out Royal Beach Club, go over to our channel. Let's go hit it. I am pumped. They're getting the balloon drop ready for Valentine's Day. We're gonna have, we'll see that later tonight, guys. I am excited. All right, so we are here at breakfast. Guys, look what they brought back. Roasted tomatoes. How many rolls have we been on? Like 4 now? I haven't seen them. They have them back. I'm so excited. I'm gonna try those. I got some sausage, grits, bacon. They do. There's chicken sausage and there's pork sausage. Make sure you get the pork buns. Crispy bacon, there was a section for it. And a hash brown, and I'm waiting on an omelet. So I'm gonna try this and I'll come back to you, but I'm excited. It has been so long. I'm so pumped. I will show you guys my omelet when I get out, but I just wanna recap. This breakfast is a 10 out of 10. Perfect crispiness, perfect flavor and crispiness, very good flavor, hot, and they have tomatoes. So, 10 out of 10 Royal Caribbean breakfast right now. And look at all these things, dude. They have poached eggs. They have
hollandaise sauce.
They had burritos.
I'm gonna get one.
I mean, I really like this breakfast.
Sausage looks pretty too.
It's so good. It has great flavor. I was just saying, I nibbled on it. It has great flavor.
Oh my god, sausage is heaven.
I told you.
So look, they had ham separate and they had hollandaise separate and they had egg on that. I made my own, whatever you call this.
Benedict. It's pretty good.
Cheese. I'm a big lover of these.
Yeah, you love breakfast burritos.
That's fire.
Is it? I've never seen, let me see the inside. I've never seen that. And I've never seen that on a Royal breakfast.
If I open it up, put a sausage inside.
Yeah, you could definitely create your own burrito pretty easily.
That would be a 12. Yesterday this was so spicy. A lot better. Let's try the poached egg. See how it is.
Poached. Oh my god. It's perfect.
That is a poached egg.
Yeah, that's impressive to be under a heat lamp. I mean, that's pretty impressive.
Wow. Might be the best breakfast I've had in a long time. That's
what I said. It's probably the best Royal Caribbean breakfast I have had in years.
Like, honestly, like, I think it's the best I've had in a long time.
In years. I'm not joking. Like, every flavor's amazing. My omelet, look at this omelet. Ignore my ketchup, guys. Look at this omelet. I mean, what the heck? And it's all so flavorful and hot and cooked right. There you go. Don't skip breakfast this trip, guys. Don't skip breakfast on Liberty of the Seas. So we got off the boat and we did go to Royal's brand new beach club on Paradise Island in Nassau, Bahamas. If you want to check out that video, it's pretty long, so we didn't want to combine them. It's like 20-something minutes. But if you want to go check that out, we had a great time. Absolutely beautiful island. We hung out. We went in the swim-up bar, went to the pool. We tried all of the food pretty much on that island, and we showed you everything. We also have a full walkthrough. So if you want to check that out on our channel. It's already out. And let's get back to the video.
Look, guys, we just got back. Happy Valentine's Day with a heart.
Oh, those ones are.
You did a really good job. All right, we're going to take a little relaxer. We'll see you guys here soon. All right, guys. Happy Valentine's Day. Look at her. Holy smokes, she looks like a smoke show. Tonight we've got
a lot of things. I think we're gonna skip the dinner and we're gonna go to the buffet to show you guys the dinner buffet. We have the Saturday Night Live show, which is supposed to be incredible. We have a slot tournament that's supposed to be a blast. A couple game shows are going on tonight. Another thing in the casino, they're really pushing tonight. So
yeah, we got a slot tournament.
Yeah, a Valentine's slot tournament where our numbers add up and we see if we win. But anyway, tons of stuff to do here on Liberty of the Seas. Hope you guys checked out our channel at the Royal Beach Club. Checked out that video. And now we have a whole night on Liberty of the Seas. There's going to be a balloon drop because you guys saw this morning. They were putting it together. I don't know when it is.
You know Sammy won't miss a balloon drop.
I won't miss a balloon drop.
We'll see you there.
Alrighty, so we are here at the buffet on Valentine's Day. Really getting classy here. I got a Thousand Island salad. I don't really eat that, so I figured I'd switch it off. And then I also got, these are actually very pretty, little bruschetta bites.
Those are cute.
I mean, that's adorable. It's one of their specials. I think that's cute. See if it's any good. I would be pretty happy with those in the main dining room, I'm not gonna lie. They're light and refreshing and pretty good. This is the soup that they are serving tonight in the main dining room. It's a pork and spinach soup. It's called, I don't know. You'll see in the tour. Not sure. But I remember having this a little while ago, last cruise, and I liked it. So, let's see if I still like it. I don't know. I liked it. That is good. It's not too salted, which they love to oversalt their soups. That soup is fantastic. 10 out of 10 on the soup, not even joking you. Also, there's a pasta station here at the buffet tonight. That is why we skipped on the main dining room, because I feel like the fresh pasta is gonna be better. Here's my Thousand Island salad. Not that exhilarating. Alright, let's see what Carson gets. Then we'll get our pastas. That's what you're really here for. Let's see how that is.
This is a shrimp something.
Shrimp pasta.
The red pepper flakes, it's hot.
Yeah, it's a shrimp pasta up there. This is pre-made. This is not from the pasta station.
Honestly, very light. That's hot.
So spicy. Whatever chef here is a little salt heavy and a little spice heavy. And I love salt and I love spice.
Serious kick. Look how beautiful this turkey meat looks.
Is it actually good?
Honestly, so good.
Is it actually really good?
It's actually really good.
Oh, wow.
Turkey's great.
That was delicious. Wow, that's really good.
Very dense. Very, very dense meatball.
You're still
Like
going.
not very, it's like a very heavy meat.
Wow.
I really like that. This is a baked pasta. Ice cold.
They're always cold.
However, not bad. Turkey's a win.
I'm gonna go with probably better than the main dining room
Oh.
tonight. I will insert the menu right here. So yeah, I am gonna try the steak and the pork chop. This soup is fantastic. You guys have to get this. I think it's like a pork Toscana soup or something. I'm not sure. I mean, that's just a salad. I made it myself. I can't really complain about that. And that was delicious, but the soup is great. Also, the guy here, Carson wanted a Coke this morning, and so the guy came by, and I already had a mimosa, and he was like, do you want another mimosa? I said, no. He goes, okay, I'll bring you another mimosa. He remembered my name and me one drink. It's incredible. Their memory is a steel freaking drink. Someone literally can go, hey, my name is Steve, and I'll black out for a second, and then I don't remember.
I don't remember what I'm saying.
I know what I'm saying. I literally, when people say their name, I black out completely. Yeah. He remembered one drink one time, guys. One drink one time. That's insane. Anyway, all right, we're gonna go get pasta. So we moved on to the steak and pork chop. Steak, not terrible. I mean, it's not medium rare, but it's flavorful and it's kind of juicy, so not bad. However, this. Let's try to cut into it.
It's actually a hockey punch.
I'm not joking, you guys. I'm putting all my.
Oh my god.
You can't cut it. You can't cut it. You can't cut it.
Oh.
It's actually solid. Can you?
Oh my god, it looks like beef jerky.
No.
Oh my god, it looks disgusting.
Don't come for the pork chop. Steak is not bad. Soup is great.
Whoever was on pork chop duty forgot he had him in the oven.
That is actually not bad. Inedible. Alright guys, so really cool. This is why we skipped the main dining room tonight. You literally can pick all these toppings. Look how many toppings there are. Seriously. Onion, bell pepper, zucchini, black olive, mushroom, peas, sun-dried tomatoes, I don't even know, zucchini, green bell pepper, celery, corn, meat, spinach, crazy. And you can pick from Alfredo, marinara, bolognese, or pesto, and they hand do it right here. That's pretty cool. So if you're gonna skip out on a main dining room night, I would say this is the night to do it. This is pretty cool. They literally are making it right in front of you. So we're gonna see how it is. Wow.
I'm not gonna lie, it actually smells amazing and looks amazing.
Smells amazing, looks amazing. They did not cheap out on the pesto or the ingredients. Sun-dried tomatoes. You saw there's so much stuff. Crazy. So overflowing.
Yeah, they do not go skimpy either. I was like, could I use half of this?
No, like, who could ever finish this plate? Not me.
They don't ask you. They
Not
just
me.
pile it on top.
10 out of 10 is all I have to say.
There you go.
10 out of 10.
Kind of did the same, so I'm not gonna show you. You did pesto, some veggies.
I mean,
I did. Look at this focaccia though.
Oh, the focaccia is stunning.
And obviously the best roll on the entire ocean.
If you have pasta night, skip the main dining, come up here. 10 out of 10. We've got to go though. We got a balloon drop, can't miss. We got a lot of things we gotta do. We're gonna eat, and we'll see you at the balloon drop. Okay, balloon drop time. We are 5 minutes out, and it is packed. Let me show you.
Wow.
We gotta get under the balloon.
Oh, they did multiples.
Oh, yeah, it goes all the way down. Can we go down further?
Wow, they did a lot.
If you're a cruise line watching this, do a balloon drop every night because people are high up there. Bye. Get 5 minutes. Royal Capakai.
Royal Capakai. Sammy playing some good old college beer pong. Back to the good old days. They met a friend.
Alrighty, so we just played the slot tournament and we did absolutely terrible. We actually got 9th and 10th place out of 10. So I don't think we're gonna win, but it was fun. You get chops, dinner for 2, and then a massage. Not as fun as Virgin, they do better prizes, but it was fun. We did really, really bad. The all inserted here, really, really bad. So I don't think we're gonna be playing in the finals, but kind of cute. They add up your scores, so it's really cute.
Dances with himself in a mirror.
Whatever.
What?
Hey! Hey! It is on the table. I know. I got my shirt on, all right? Tony! Hey, Tony! Hey, Scumbag, how you doing? Doing good! Hey, Tony! Looking good! Hey! I wanna put on my boogie shoes. Just a boogie with you. Yeah!
So, before
Crazy
that,
Quest.
of course, I need to tell you, this is an 18 plus, everybody. 18 plus game show.
Alright guys, this is low-key so fun.
Two ladies wearing men's shoes. Team
Oh my god, they're running.
6, Team 2.
Guys, it is getting wild. Seriously.
Team 1.
It is getting wild.
Team 2. Jolene.
The last quest. Everyone from your team has to go down and dance the Cuban shuffle. And you know what me and Sammy are doing? Not being a good teammate. We're sitting. Not gonna lie, pretty badass. And that quest is over.
Alrighty, that was our day 2 here at Liberty of the Seas. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We did switch it up a little bit today. We did the buffet for dinner. We did the casino. We did one of the shows. Had a great time. If you see us after this, it means we hit up the dance club and we are going to the Crazy Quest, but wanted to get an outro done. Like, subscribe. We'll see you tomorrow at Coco K.